Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another videos. Please subscribe my channel Hassan Tech. Press the bell icon. Today we will discuss about create the web page that use CSS code, find the color, book author, font for H1, green color for H2. So first of all we open text editor, name Sublime Text, and now go into the body section. And now implement the style. In the head section we apply the style type CSS text or CSS H2 in the H2 we write color green, and then H3 color red, font family, book Antiqua, and then H3 H4 color colon blue. Go to the body section and write here font size 10 pt, and then close. Style, then close. Style, just write here body, not a body tag. Now after style, close head section. After the head we will write a body H2 text formatting tags, and then H3 h3 h3